Hey there, it's Bartholomew Perez, engineer, realtor in California, author, and investor. What a headache. It's been 5 days dealing with the imposter eating his pasta in a red Mazda on the Target Plaza. I don't know what's up with that, and frankly, it's annoying, but it's getting taken care of. So, everybody that has supported me, thank you. The Despite that obstacle, I still kept getting questions about what it's like to be multi-career and what are some of the benefits or even similarities between things like engineering and real estate. And I like to think of them as more similar than different. And I think when we start reframing our mindset in those ways where we can see the similarities, so you take a Venn diagram, you look for that gray area in the middle, that's what you want. Those are the sweetness between the converging industries between engineering and real estate. I got four of them that come off to mind, and thanks to, yes, ChatGPT to some support collecting my thoughts. The first one is problem solving because we will have to problem solve whether it's with an engineering project or whether it's a client wanting to identify what works out best for them. Is it buying now? Is it buying later? Is it selling now, selling later? Or what type of investments? Maybe they didn't consider something to hold long and they just want a quick flip. When it comes to engineering, what is it that we're solving at hand? Is it a new technology? Is it something to improve process for efficiency? Problem solving, getting creative with how we approach those situations, and making sure that we're really addressing the need of the client or customer. Attention to detail, notorious. In real estate, we deal with contracts. Contracts are binding legal agreements that will hold you to the responsibilities outlined in that contract. So that both on the selling and the buying side. And with engineering, detail essential, right? That can mean you're jeopardizing people's livelihoods, you're jeopardizing the safety and efficiency of maybe the platform. Whatever it means, details, we have to be notorious to make sure that we're following and paying attention. Uh, Failure to do so, it can be catastrophic both in engineering and real estate. So paying attention to detail. Project management. You will be juggling many things at once, whether it's having multiple clients and maybe different states, or having different projects in maybe different states. And it might require you travel. So things when you're starting to think about how you organize yourself, organize your projects, manage those projects, begin planning and overseeing that the work gets done either by you or by your teammates, those. It happens all the time. We have partners in real estate. It's not just the agents, it's also the lenders, the escrow office, title, inspection, appraisal. And if we're not collaborating, communicating, it's so annoying because you're often left, what is going on? And we hate that. As engineers, as real estate professionals, we hate that. I think everybody in general, we hate not knowing, especially when we're supposed to know. And finally, the last one, strong communication, because if you can convey your message, what it is you want your client, customer, or your teammates to understand about an assignment, about a detail, about work to be done, then what are you really saying? It's like they're hearing you, but they're not listening because maybe you're not being effective in the way you're conveying your message. So when it comes to clients, colleagues, contractors, teammates, communication. So a lot of overlap and the details that do change, right? It's just how the actual business operates and what it is that we really care about in each industry. But ultimately, there's more similarities than differences. And I don't, I have gone surpassed the time that I thought that they were extremely different because they're not. It's just the details once you become a professional in both industries, and it's the jargon that changes. Otherwise, it essentially means the same thing. There's a million plus and growing words in the English dictionary, and why wouldn't there be many synonyms to many things? Anyway, this is Bartholomew Perez in my casual daily attire. Casual, yes. And signing off to be continued.